Hi my clouds, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail. Okay, so first you're going to go into Bloxburg, or you can go into a new window and you can search up aesthetic, I don't know, Christmas background. I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know. Okay. So I'm actually going to use one of these. So I like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And then I'm going to go into a new browser and I'm going to search up 𝚘𝚘𝚊𝚢.com. Okay, so once you get here, you're going to click new project, and then you're going to go to YouTube thumbnail, and you're going to change the white to transparent, and then you're going to click create. Okay, so you're going to click this that I have hovered over right now, and then you're going to paste it by clicking Control V. So let me just adjust this real quick. Alright, so after I did that, now I'm going to go ahead and add my overlays. To do that, you're going to go to your downloads and then drag the file in. In this case, I added my GFX that I'm going to use for this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna move this and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so I just want to mention this. You're going to right click and click blending options, and then you can change the color by clicking color overlay and changing the color to your liking. And then you're going to go to bevel and emboss and click chisel hard and go that and change it to whatever color you want. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to add a stroke as well, because why not? So okay, I also want to have a conversation with you guys while this is sped up. So basically I started this GFX business, in case you guys don't know, and if you're too lazy to do this, you can go ahead and you can commission me for like either a render and you still want to do the GFX, but you don't want to have to make the, I mean, if you still want to make the thumbnail but don't want to have to make the GFX, then that's completely fine too. So yeah, anyway. Alright, so I finished with this. Now I'm going to show you how to add text. So you're going to click that T over there. And then you're going to click literally anywhere. And you're going to write whatever you want, but I'm going to write how to for the sake of this video. So after I did that, I'm just going to change the size and the font to my liking. So yeah, and yeah, so there's the font, and then I'm gonna speed up this process, but I'm also gonna talk to you guys while I'm doing so. So as I was saying, if you're lazy and want to do a thumbnail but you don't want to have to do a render, or you just want me to do the thumbnail altogether and you don't want to have to do this whole thing, then you can commission me. I'll put the link to my website in the description. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, so anyway, I just say make a, and then, yeah, you're just gonna keep adding text basically. But if you don't want to do this and you want someone to commission instead of having to do it yourself, my commissions are open. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so this is probably one of my best thumbnails that I've ever made. But I think it looks really good. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. So make sure to have a nice day. Bye. Oh, wait, guys, don't leave just yet. Don't leave. I forgot to show you how to save this video. Okay, so what you're gonna do is click File over here in the corner. And then you're gonna click Export as PNG, I recommend. And then you're just gonna name it as whatever you want. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.